Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Prosper. So in this video, you are going to be looking at Doodle. So this is going to be like a walkthrough or an overview of Doodle's scheduling software. So if you are new to this video, you are new to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. And do make sure you watch the video to the end because I'm going to be giving you a complete walkthrough and an honest review on Doodle software. Alright, so if you are wondering what Doodle is basically a scheduling software for meetings and all kinds of appointments. So either you're a solopreneur or a private individual, or you represent an organization and you're looking for a software that can allow you to achieve a lot when it comes to booking creating meetings for yourself and your clients and any other person, maybe within your co-workers, then you might also want to consider Doodle. So if that's interesting, like I said, make sure you watch the video to the end. So before we go into the video proper, please again, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button right now. So just click on that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe, and also click on that bell icon so that you can get notified of the future videos. So thank you very much if you have just done that. So now let's head over to Doodle. All right, so right now we're on Doodle page. So this is what it currently looks like. So to come over to this page, you can use the link in the description or the one showing on your screen right now to come over to this page. All right, so like you can see here, professional scheduling makes it made easy. You can see Doodle is the fastest and easiest way to schedule anything from meeting to the next great collaboration. Okay, so if you should scroll down to see trusted by 70,000 plus companies, 2 million meetings scheduled last month. You can see enterprise level security, start taking appointments in 5 minutes. So basically the software is very easy to navigate, okay, and very easy to navigate and very easy to set up. So you can see professionals of all types get it done with Doodle. So if you look at it, if you are looking forward to do recruitment, meet with candidates faster, stay in your own workflow. Okay, so if you are looking forward to conduct virtual or online interview or to recruit, you can also make use of Doodle. Yeah, and once you start to create, once you sign up, I will start to create Doodle. Then you understand why it comes very, very handy for some of these things that they mentioned. Okay, so because there are some other scheduling software or booking software that they might cover other things, but not what Doodle is offering, especially for what they are promising in terms of recruitment. Don't worry, once we get to the point where you are going to be creating some of these bookings, some of these meetings, then you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so also for board meeting, so you can also use it to set up board meeting. If you are into sales, show your clients you have availability in just a few clicks. Okay, so you can also make your clients show them when you're available. You can also give them different options of time that is convenient for them for the meeting based on your own schedule. You can do that within Doodle. If you're also in the educational sector, you can say from office hours to faculty meeting, keep your organization running smoothly. Okay, also for suitable for freelancers and then enterprise scheduling. Okay, so you can see it here. It's also suitable for individuals, for team, and then for enterprise. Okay, now in terms of integrations, you can see that it has a good number of integrations. We are still going to be looking at this separately. So from Stripe, for that's for payments, to Outlook, to Google Meet, to Zapier and the likes, it also has a whole lot of integrations. And let's take a look at them. So one of it can see ready for remote, connect Doodle to Zoom, Google Meet, or WebEx and add video conference link to every event automatically. Okay, so these are some other tools that or integration that is available within Doodle to just to make sure that you have a very smooth meeting. And this is Stripe, Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Exchange, Google Calendar, Zapier, Google Meet, Outlooks and the likes. So with this now, let's also look at the pricing. In terms of pricing, what does it offer? So basically, it comes in three plans rather. So we have the free, we have the pro, and the team. Okay. So for this one now, for the free, this is for individual getting started with seamless scheduling. You can see which is free forever. Okay, just one user. And then we also have the Pro. So for professionals who want an automated scheduling solution, so you can expect more with the Pro for just $6.95 per month. And then for the team plan, which is, so you can also check adjust it based on number of users. So if you increase the number of users, you're going to see how much it will cost you per month, okay, when you increase the number of users. And if you scroll down, you're going to see what you're going to be getting. You can see it now for the free now. You can create unlimited pool. You can create unlimited sign-ups, one-page booking, one-on-one. So all of these things, once in the next video, I'm going to be walking you through how to sign up and how to create all of this. You understand more of all these features. But this is what you're going to get for the free. This is what you're going to get for the pro, and this is what you're going to get for the team plan. And if you scroll down, you will see a comparison table or a comparison chart where you can compare the 3 plans that is available so that you can be sure of what you are going to be getting from any of the plans that you are picking, okay? And these are some frequently asked questions. How can you pay for Doodle? You can pay using your MasterCard, or you can pay using PayPal. So you can also upgrade or downgrade at any time, okay? It's not, there's no need to, you are not committed forcefully, okay? So you can upgrade or downgrade at any time. Then if you're wondering what plan is best for you, you can see there is a short text here. It said the Pro plan offers a higher degree of customization, priority support, as well as access to our newest scheduling tools for organizing one-on-one meeting in minutes. Then the team plan is designed for small team to manage multiple users per subscription, about 5 to 20. Okay, so with that will be like a guide to know what you want to go for. And then if you are not, if you still want to be sure, you can just go through this comparison chart or comparison table so that you can know what to expect with all of this. And even while if you are not still sure, you can just go ahead and sign up with it and see what you are going to get, because it's going to give you free trials. So from the free trial also, you can explore some of the pro features. Okay, so you explore the pro features for the first 14 days. Okay, so to give you an idea of what you are going to be getting. So far, when you are looking forward to meetings, just meetings, professional scheduling of meetings and the likes, I'll strongly recommend Doodle. Exactly, I'll strongly recommend Doodle. And if you really want to know more about this Doodle in terms, like I said earlier, how to set up some of these meetings, like there are 4 categories of meetings that you can create, or 4 categories of booking that you can create, and those 4 are different. They might look similar, but they give you different results. Okay, so all of that, I'll be explaining that in the next video, where I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of how to set up an account and everything. So I hope you find value in this. I hope this answers some of your questions or your doubts with Doodle. If you still have any doubts, you might just need to watch the next video on Doodle. That's the complete tutorial on Doodle. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of service or organization do you own and you want to consider Doodle for. Okay, so we can interact in the comment section of this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in the next video. I'll also leave a link to the next video in the description of this video so that you can just check it out real quick. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.